हेलो फ्रेंड, दिस priyachetri, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज की वीडियो में मैं शेयर करूंगी 5 न्यूड लिपस्टिक ऑप्शन अंडर ₹200। सो न्यूड शेड बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है किसी के भी लिए। अगर आप बिगनर्स हैं तो आपके लिए भी बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है, बिकॉज अगर आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं हैं डार्क शेड लगाने में तो आप डेफिनेटली न्यूड शेड से स्टार्टिंग कर सकते हैं। एंड फॉर कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल्स एंड फॉर ऑफिस गोइंग गर्ल्स, इवन फॉर पार्टी एज वेल, न्यूड शेड्स आर really a great option. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys the affordable option for nude lipstick under ₹200. Now as I said, the सारी lipstick under ₹200 है, but at this price they are of good quality, long lasting. Actually after trying this lipstick I found out that I'm using this lipstick more than the other lipsticks. So yeah, with no further ado, let's get into the video and find out all the lipstick I'm talking about. So first lipstick है ये ब्लू हेवन की लिपस्टिक, एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड विद दिस प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज इट्स मैट एंड द शेड इज सो नाइस. Definitely will buy more shade from this range, but right now I'm having the shade chocolate mood. It's a brown nude shade with hint of pink, and it will look great to every skin tone and definitely a great affordable option. Now the second lipstick I have is this Swiss Beauty lipstick in the shade Hazel. Now again I love this shade. This shade is a perfect brown nude shade, and the formula is like semi matte. It's less matte than the Blue Heaven lipstick, but totally worth it. So the next lipstick is this LA 18 lipstick in the shade Mauve Date. Now this is pinkish nude shade and will suit fair to medium skin tone. It will not suit darker skin tone, but this range has variety of shades available, so definitely check it out. So the next lipstick is this Nickel lipstick in the shade Priyachetri. It's a brown nude shade and I use it on my daily basis. I almost finished this lipstick, and I have the full version of this lipstick, but it has also mini version which is at ₹199. Totally a perfect deal. And as you can see, I almost finished the lipstick. The next time I will also buy the mini size. So last lipstick is this Annabelle Bay lipstick in the shade Joy Doesn't Share lipstick. How amazing is that name, right? So the shade is like light brown nude shade, and the formula is satin finish formula. It is not matte at all, and the shade will suit to fair to medium skin tone, but this range has variety of shades available, so definitely check it out. That's all for today's video guys. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय.